Did you know Windows can save a history of what you copy and even sync it across your devices? It's a useful feature for some people, but if you never use it, you may want to turn it off. Here is how. Windows 11 includes a feature called Clipboard History. It lets you copy multiple items. For many people, it's a great productivity feature. But if you regularly copy passwords, personal information, or sensitive work data, it's worth reviewing how it's configured. Let's take a look. Open Settings by pressing Windows I. Go to System, then scroll and select Clipboard. Here you will find Clipboard History settings. If you like using Windows V access to previously copied text or images, you can leave this enabled. If you never use the feature, turning it off is a simple way to reduce the amount of copied information stored locally. While you are here, look for the option Clipboard History across your devices. It allows to sync all your data across your devices. This is a separate settings. If it's turned on and you are signed in with a Microsoft account, Windows can now sync your Clipboard History across your trusted Windows devices. Some people love this because they can copy something on one PC and paste it on another PC. Others prefer to keep everything on a single computer. Choose the option that matches how you work. If you don't need Clipboard History syncing, simply leave it turned off. If you've been using Clipboard History, you can remove what's already stored. In the same Clipboard settings page, click Clear next to Clear Clipboard Data. That removes stored Clipboard History. Keep in mind that pinned clipboard items will remain unless you remove them individually. Clipboard History isn't a security problem by itself. In fact, many professionals use it every day because it saves time. If you frequently copy links, emails, codes, or notes, it's a very useful feature. The important thing is understanding how it works so you can decide whether it fits your workflow. If you share your computer with other people or regularly copy sensitive information, reviewing Clipboard History and Cloud Sync is a good privacy habit. Windows gives you control over the settings. You just have to know where to find them. Do you use Clipboard History or do you prefer to keep it turned off? Let me know in the comments if you enjoy practical Windows tips and Microsoft updates without the jargon. Subscribe to Sektor. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.